Hello guys, so welcome back to Language Learning. Welcome back to Sepedi Lessons channel. So today is day 9 of 21 day Sepedi challenge. Today we're going to be looking at name of places in Sepedi language. So without a waste of time, let's get right in with our today video. So the first one, we have a house. A house is called ntlo. Go to your house. Eya ntlong ya gago. Go to your house. Eya ntlong ya gago. Or you can say ngwako. Eya ngwakong wa gago. Go to your house. Eya ngwakong wa gago. So the next one, we have a classroom. So a classroom is called phapushi, or you can just say class, but the correct word is phapushi. Class is a borrowed word from Afrikaans language. Go to the classroom. Eya phapushing. Go to the classroom. Eya ka phapushing. Go to the classroom. Eya ka phapushing. So the next one, have a school. So a school is called sekolo. A school is called sekolo. Go to school. Eya sekolong. Go to school. Eya sekolong. So the next one, we have a hospital. A hospital is called sepetlele. A hospital is called sepetlele. I am at the hospital. Ke sepetlele. I am at the hospital. Ke sepetlele. So the next one, we have a shop. So a shop is called lebenkele. A shop is called lebenkele. I own a shop. Ke na le lebenkele. I own a shop. Ke na le lebenkele. So the next one, have a post office. So a post office is called poso. Go to the post office. Eya posong. Go to the post office. Eya posong. So the next one, have a field. So a field is called chimo. A field is called chimo. I am going to the field. Keya chimong. I am going to the field. Keya chimong. So the next one, have a church. So a church is called kereke. A church is called kereke. I am going to church. Keya kereke. I am going to church. Keya kereke. So the next one, we have a court. So a court is called khoro ya tsheko. A court is called khoro ya tsheko. They went to the court. Ba ile khorong ya tsheko. They went to the court. Ba ile khorong ya tsheko. So the next one, we have a river. So a river is called noka. A river is called noka. They are swimming in the river. Ba ruta ka nokeng. They are swimming in the river. Ba ruta ka nokeng. So the next one, have an ocean. So an ocean is called lewatle. We saw an ocean today. Re bone lewatle lehono. We saw an ocean today. Re bone lewatle lehono. Next one, have a town. So a town is called toropo. You can just say teropo or toropo. It varies with a person. So let's just say toropo. I am going to town. Keya toropong. Town, toropo, keya toropong. That's it for our day 9 of 21 days Sepedi challenge. If you have any places you'd like to know their name in Sepedi language, please don't hesitate to drop them on the comment section and I will answer them. In the video, I have a little challenge for you. So I want you to tell me what is hotel in Sepedi language. If you have an answer, please drop it on the comment section. A hotel in Sepedi language. And I'm looking forward to see your comments.